Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2020 Mazda CX5 GT, stock reference number 4901. This shape runs from the 11th month 2018 and is the current shape. It has a 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, radiated grille, tidy front bumper cover, left-hand headlight, left-hand fog light. Not much has survived on the rear of this car. We have the right front door, appears to have no damage, right power door mirror, and a right front 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, black leather centre console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, sat nav display screen, left hand sun visor, courtesy lamp with sunglass holder type, right hand sun visor, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise, audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.